Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Sassy Funke and I'm a Nigerian author, travel and lifestyle content creator. Author because I recently just wrote the first ever high quality locally curated travel guide for Lagos, Nigeria. It's available on Amazon. I'm going to drop the links below. So if you're considering visiting Lagos, getting to know Lagos, to rediscover Lagos, or you want to gift a piece of Lagos to somebody, this is the perfect guide for you. So check out those links on there. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this community into bigger, brighter, better, right? So I look forward to you clicking that red button down below. So guys, for the past couple of weeks, you've been used to me sharing information on how to navigate travel to Nigeria during this pandemic. I've been sharing with you guys protocols and whatnot. But you'll be very excited to know that I'm about to walk the talk. What does that mean? I am traveling to Nigeria in approximately 4 days. Today is the 3rd of December, right? And I'm going to Nigeria on the 7th. So in about 4 days, I'm going to Nigeria. So I'm going to be sharing with you the whole process, right? From getting my COVID test done to registering on the NITP, Nigeria International Travel Portal, doing that, to traveling through the airport, you know, what happened at Heathrow. I'm flying from Heathrow to what's going to happen when I arrive in Nigeria. How was the plane? Was there social distancing? What happens at the airport in Nigeria? What happened post 7 days where I have to do another COVID test? I want to share all the experiences with you. I am not sure I'm going to be able to put everything in one video, so it might be split into parts, but I'll make sure that's noted so you know how to navigate that. So the first thing I've done, guys, is to get my COVID test. I know a lot of you guys have been debating, like, okay, in the UK, you can do an NHS free test, right? But the truth is, yes, NHS free tests will be accepted on your flights to Nigeria. But the issue with the NHS test is not about whether it's accepted or not, is whether the government allows you to use it for travel. The government stated clearly that you shouldn't be using the NHS free test for your personal travel because that's using government funds for personal, choices, basically. I got my tests here. I bought it for £175, and I got it for £175 from a clinic here in Oxford called Mayfield Clinic, right? So I went there after I paid for it online. I actually went to the store itself. I went to the clinic and they gave me the actual test. I picked up the kit about an hour from their clinic. It wasn't too far, and all I have to do is either post this back by mail or go to their clinic and give it to them and they will post it. So they also sent me an email that the test results are going to be sent by email from the lab. The samples depart from them at midday and it takes 36 hours to return test results. So I have enough time to get my results if I drop this today, right? Today's the 3rd, my flight is on the 7th. So it's also within the 5-day window. Yesterday would have been the earliest time I could have done it, but I'm giving it to them today to do, simply because I don't trust that if BA cancels my flight or delays my flight, I'm still in that window. I have a day extra that my COVID test will be valid. I can't be wasting £175. You get what I mean? Yes. So now I'm going to go through this test and we're going to do it together, guys. This is all that's in here. So there's instructions here. They said register your unique barcode on a website. So they gave me a website that I have to register my unique barcode on. And I'm going to put that in here. Barcode. The second step is to collect your sample by following the instructions inside the medical package, right? So right here is the medical package. Time to follow the instructions here. So I actually did an NHS test the other day because they thought my baby could have had COVID. So my hands are disinfected already. So I did an NHS test, so I already know what to expect from this, right? So I'm just gonna put everything out. That's the test swab thing. This is where it goes in, the solution. Okay, I think I need to provide some information for them again. It has the barcode and it has date of birth and personal information I need to fill out. There's a test swab right here, stick, and there's a solution I need to put this in. Okay, so I've got myself some sanitizer right here. Let me get this done. Wash your hands using sanitizer and soap for 20 seconds. Remove the swab and primers MTM tube from the sample bag and place on a clean surface. Okay, open the swab packaging and remove by holding the swab shaft. Do not let the tip come in contact with any surfaces, okay? The throat sample will be collected first, right? Use a mirror as a guide. Slowly insert the back of your throat. Careful not to touch your teeth or your gum. Whilst holding the shaft, rub back of your throat with the swab. Okay, so I just have to put it at the back of my throat and like rub it around for 5 times. So with the same stick I'm going to put up there, I'm going to actually put it in my nose too. My nostril, antifungal resistance. Guys, I'm just going to take this and I am going to go and drop it off at their medical lab, and yes, hopefully in like maximum 36 hours I'm going to get the results of my test by email, and I'll keep you guys updated as to what was the results. You know, if it's positive I can't travel basically, but if it is, I'll keep going and I'll share with you guys the registration process and everything else. Yes, all right. Hi guys, so today is the 4th of December, and early this morning, I think super early this morning at 3:49 a.m. I received my results, the results of my COVID PCR test, which was super quick because I sent it yesterday morning to them and they already had everything done. So it took less than 24 hours to get it back, which is impressive. I think in the UK, they've been very quick to sort of like process results, but you know what, at £175, they better be quick, you know what I mean? But this is great to know though, so that if in the future I decided to take a test closer to the date of my flight, it would probably come, you know, back. The results will come back quite quickly, which is amazing. On the certificate, they just share, you know, my name, my information, my passport number, the exact date and time that the test was taken. That's the 3rd of December, 8:47, when I was showing you guys yesterday. The method, they say it's PCR and it's a swab, and the result is, of course, well, not of course, but it's negative, which is amazing. So I printed this out, document out. It was sent to me via email, but I printed it out and I'm going to take it to the airport. The next step for me now is to actually register myself and my baby on the Nigeria International Travel Portal, which I'm going to do. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow or Sunday. Probably tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow, just so that I don't have any issues with the QR code and I get everything all sorted. So I'll do that tomorrow. I could do it now, but I just want to push it till tomorrow.